Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Marian Honor, and today we'll be playing a little matchmaking game, an LGBTQ plus edition of Pusuan or Laruan! How the game works. As you can see, we have a lineup of gorgeous singles over here, and we'll also be bringing out some sexy eligible singles one by one. So, kung napupusuan niyo ang ating sexy single, feeling niyo magbabibe kayo, or interested pa kayo sa mga sasabihin niya, do not pop your balloon. Pero kung feeling niyo hindi niyo siya masyadong vibe or hindi kayo magmamatch, you can go ahead and pop your balloon. Are you ready, singles? All right, let's play Pusuan or Laruan! Here comes our first sexy single. Hi! All right, so what's your name and how old are you?
I'm Victoria Robles. I'm 24 years old.
Okay. And what do you do for a living or anong job mo?
I'm a freelance artist and commercial model and fashion designer.
Okay, cool. Ano namang hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
Travel. Anything that relaxes me and pantanggal stress.
And how about naman sa ideal partner? Anong hinahanap mo? Pwedeng sa personality or sa physical?
Actually, I want someone na may emotional intelligence.
Okay.
Kahit anong yan. Basta may emotional intelligence, I'm good.
How about mga deal breakers mo or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Insecure. Kasi when my partner is insecure, dun na papasok yung toxic.
Alright. So right now, wala pang nagpa-pop ng balloon. It's up to you. I would like you to choose 2 balloons to pop just based on what you're seeing right now.
Ang bilis!
Ganun talaga.
Ang bilis! It's so hard. Oh.
The suspense. Kung wari, nakita mo sila sa club, like, who would you be like, maybe not. Meron pang patugstugstug.
Imagine ko ulit. Kunwari papasok ka sa club.
Nasa club ka, papasok ka sa club.
Okay, ka na. Tugs.
Parang, ay, itong person na to, parang, not so much na romantic vibe. Parang ganun. Tahimik ko.
Ang hirap.
Go with your gut.
Ayaw.
Hindi daw meant to. And one more?
Oh, one more pa.
Yeah. Okay. So let's go over here. So what's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
My name is Sham, and I'm 39. I work for BPO sales.
Bakit siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Oh my God. Ang hirap kasi magpa-pop agad without knowing them. So, actually, pwede ba yun yung reason? Kasi kailangan ko mag-pop without knowing them.
Out of everyone, bakit siya yung napili mo i-pop?
I don't know. Maybe because siguro... Nahirap ako.
It's okay. Just be honest lang.
Meron akong parang personal reference.
Okay. Would you mind telling us what your preference is?
Siguro, mas tumatagal kasi yung relationship when you have the same goal in life.
Okay.
So, with that, siguro, hindi siya nakapasok sa personal preference ko.
Okay.
Yan.
All right. Although without knowing each other's goals yet na.
Yeah, without knowing. I wanted to know them, of course.
All right. Do you have any response to that?
It's okay, actually, pretty much, pero I guess if you would ask me more questions and get to know me more, maybe it would actually spark a little bit of interest, especially when you said that you like to travel a lot. I'm a fat backpacker. So I used to travel heavily before because I have a luxury of working as a digital nomad. So I've been really traveling locally. Something that really made me interested nung sinabi mo.
Sige, pakibalik po yung balloons.
Hindi na tayo natapos dito. Do you want a balloon back? Okay. Balik daw yung balloon. Are you okay with that? Yeah. Hey, okay. Woo! All right. Well, I'll get back to you later. Okay, let's go over here.
Hi, I'm Soph. I'm 24 years old and I work as a healthcare advocate.
Bakit siyang napili mo i-pop?
Actually, I can feel the vibe. Siguro naamoy ko siya na.
Naamoy mo na bestie vibe siya.
Yeah, naamoy like besties, ganon.
Okay.
I accepted it. I was like, yes, here's my balloon. Go pop it.
Yeah. Thank you for letting me know that.
Okay, so una pa lang, alam na bestie vibes to. Okay, well, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so right now we still have 1, 2. Oh, no. Have you seen the show?
Nag-exit na siya.
Huwag ka umalis.
Mamaya pa tayo magde-date, shopping date, bestie date, later on. Oh.
All right, so right now we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balloons left. So right now, I'd like you to ask a question that will help you narrow down your choice.
Okay, I have Liz here.
Okay, wow, prepared.
Liz here. What is your preferences in a girl?
Okay, so let's start over here.
So hi, my name is Lee. So I'm 22 years old and I'm in BPO industry. So yung preference ko is actually like someone that I can hang out with, and I found you so very pretty. So yeah, moving forward in the future, I think that's it.
Two things. First, physically, of course, I'm a fan or fond of beautiful things. So I'd like someone to be, not setting up the higher bar, but for something for me na may feel ko na someone na nag-feel beautiful siya sa sarili niya. And equally charming, and mga ganon. Mga IG girlfriend, sabi nila, sa term ng mga millennial. And also in aspects naman sa personality. I just wanted someone na the same bandwidth as me.
My name is Sher. I'm 28 and admin assistant. Preference ko physically, hindi naman ganun kataas. Basta ka-vibe ko yung tao, tsaka bubbly like you. And extrovert kasi medyo introvert daw ako.
Hi, my name is Dana Soriano. I'm 25 and I work as a general accountant during weekdays and encoder on weekend. I like someone who's sure of herself and confident. Tapos yung someone na hindi ikakahiya yung partner nila.
Hi, I'm Micah. I'm 28 years old and I'm a video editor. So yung answer ko sa question mo, I don't actually have a preference. If I feel na the vibe na gusto kita, that's it. Because I'm bisexual, so I don't have even, kasi I see people inside, not like the appearance. But you're very pretty, so you're one of my preference.
That escalated quickly.
Hi, I'm Yam Irenea. I'm 24 years old. I'm an industrial engineer. My preference po is someone with substantial kausap. And as you have said, align yung goals. Since based experience, hindi mag-work despite na parehas yung vibes if your goals are not aligned.
Hi, I'm Justine. I'm 30 and I'm a program manager for learning and organizational development. In terms of preference, I don't have a physical list, mainly because I go with what they said, personality, mentality, and also values. And for me, ang important is they're goal-oriented, like what you said. So it really resonated with me. We don't restrict each other as people. And the third is they're willing to grow and willing to learn about your partner as they grow along with you.
So, based on those answers, I would like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
2 balloons?
Yeah. Just based on answers or overall vibe.
How?
Oh, okay. And one more. All right. So let's start over here. Bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
Siguro yung sinabi niya na someone I can hang out with. Because me kasi mas gustuhan ko yung parang if you liking someone, dapat you can see that person in the future na. Though kahit without knowing that person, but to see if it's gonna work or not.
Okay.
Diba?
So, na-feel mo na sa kanya parang
Pag
sa present,
siguro
ano lang.
bestie din.
Bestie na naman.
Bestie din siya.
And let's also go over here. Bakit siya yung napili mo ipop?
Sige, balik yung balloon.
Uy, grabe! Gano'ng katagal tong episode na?
Actually, I wanted to know her more pa. Parang medyo nagdalawang isip lang.
Ano yung sinabi niya kanina na nag-ano sa'yo? Nag-change ng mind mo or something?
Sa ano lang, yung sa height siguro, yung sinabi mo.
Do you have any response to that?
Wala po ako sinabi about height.
Saka, ano yung sabi mo kanina? Yung
I think you are bubbly. Like, you're so lovely and lively.
Lively.
Gusto ko sa mga tao kasi yung mausap kasi mahilig lang ako makinig.
And then yung sinabi mo kanina na you're
Introvert.
Yes.
Anong height? Hindi. Nagsabi ng height ba dito?
Extrovert siya, ako introvert. So, parang, yung mga ganun tao. Outgoing, kasi
introvert.
madali lang din naman akong,
No.
Hindi,
eto talaga. No, kasi I'm introvert din kasi.
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
mostly of the time, mag-isa lang talaga ako.
Okay.
So, I feel like, magmo-work sa akin if I have a partner na
Extrovert.
Para balance.
Do you have any response to that?
Siguro
wala
yun
naman.
lang.
It's okay. No hard feelings.
No hard feelings.
So right now, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask another question to help you narrow down your choice.
Sige, eto na. What's your love language?
Okay, so let's start over here.
Actually, I'd like to say I tick all 5 in giving. And in terms of receiving, I would like words of affirmation. Mainly, the reason yun yung gusto ko na ma-receive is something na magpa-funder ng inspiration sa'yo. Tapos, yung tipong i-uplift ka, especially when you're down.
Sa giving po, I think all 5 languages, and receiving is words of affirmation. Kasi feeling ko words can be powerful. So anything na masasabi mo would affect me in the long run.
For me, giving, I like giving gifts. Gifts talaga. And acts of service. Tapos, I like receiving physical touch. Yeah. Kasi,
Ba't marami nag-react? Can you explain sa physical touch? Examples?
wala, gusto ko lang yung taong clingy sa akin. Ganun. I mean, yung hinahag ako, ganyan nga. Yeah.
That's it. Yung sa akin po, pag nagbibigay sa partner, lahat din ng 5 love language, pero dominant yung pag-give ng gifts and words of affirmation. Pag ako naman nakaka-receive, syempre, sino bang hindi gusto lahat din ma-receive? Pero pinaka-dominant na gusto ko, words of affirmation and physical touch. Pero number 1, words talaga.
Yung giving ko is more on acts of service and quality time. Kasi yun, I show care through food also. Yung receiving ko, quality time also kasi I like people who are intentional. So even if we're both busy, if you really devote time to each other, then it's gonna work, right?
Okay, so based on those answers, I would like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Pwede one muna.
No, walang discount dito.
Okay.
Ayaw daw eh. Wala. Oh. And one more. Bawal itago ang balloon. Oh. Okay, let's go over here. Bakit siya yung napili mo ipop?
Siguro, gusto ko yung very specific when they're giving the love language. Kasi gusto ko, mayroon na kasi akong love language na hinahanap na laging binibigay sa akin.
Do you have any response to that?
That's understandable naman. I like what I've said. I'm pretty sure I take all 5.
Yes.
Pero meron naman talaga gusto ito yung nagiging
Yan yung
mas
dominant. What's your dominant?
Ano daw yung dominant mo ba?
Actually, if I would say acts of service, because I really like making my girl feel like na very special siya. in terms of yung mga hatid sundo supremacy, yung mga doing things for you, little errands, and making you feel comfortable in any way. I cook for my partner. I basically do a lot of things for my partner. I groom her if needed.
Anong groom to?
Because I like it the way she pagka nagde-dress up siya. So I have a take on what she's gonna wear. So I would say na, this is the dress that matches you. This is the kind of makeup that looks good on you. Ayun, yun talaga ang dominant ko.
Just for our curiosity, ano bang hanap mo na love language when you ask that question?
Later.
Later? Bakit? Spoiler ba? After nung next natin. Okay. Kasi baka mamaya mag-iba yung sagot. Okay, and over here. Ba't siya napili mo ipop?
Okay, yung sinabi niya kasi na physical touch. Yun.
Ayaw mo magpa-touch?
Hindi! Bawal? Or hindi? No, my problem is I'm a very workaholic kasi.
Okay.
And then, yung sa Pasko kasi, di ko yun nabibigay. And then, yun yung naging problem. Kaya, nag-cheat siya sa akin.
Gusto mo shout out?
Wag na.
Tapos?
Siguro, dahil doon, yun yung main reason. But I love physical touch.
Do you have any response to that?
Yeah.
Hindi naman yun yung talagang ano lang.
Yeah.
Yung main na... Kumbaga, kung decision mo yan, go. Pero like, I can give all the 5 languages of love. It's just, I like receiving. But hindi naman madarating sa yung sensual or something. Kumbaga, ano lang, I like na hinahag ako, ganun. Pero yeah, I understand. Thanks.
Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. So right now, I'd like you to ask another question to help you narrow down your choice.
What do you prefer? Alpha or submissive?
Okay. So let's start over here.
I like both kasi in terms of alpha, I want her to make her own decisions din sa life. And submissive, pag kaming dalawa na lang, like that.
Thank you so much for that. Okay, let's go over here.
Same din po.
Same naman pala.
Kasi ako po, alpha and submissive din ako. Depende po sa partner ko. Yan, and sa mood din as well. So, same din po sa answer niyo. So, siya na po sunod.
Tawag dito. That's kind of a hard question to ask. Kasi I believe naman na both alphas can coexist in a relationship. Pero if preference, I want someone who's submissive. Kasi I have a very strong personality and sometimes it comes across as hindi maganda, bratty, ganun.
Okay, so based on those answers, I would like you to choose 1 balloon to pop. Oh, okay. All right, let's go over here. Ba't siya napili mo i-pop?
Actually, I'm an alpha female.
Okay.
I like to decide kung ano yung dates namin. I like to plan dates. So, growing up kasi, parang lumaki ako tough family, tough love. So, it's part of my personality na strong talaga.
So, naghanap ka ng submissive na partner.
Na hindi lang doon.
Oh, okay.
But we can both be alpha naman.
Do you have any response to that?
No, like totally same.
Yeah.
Only child, so I get where you're coming from.
Yeah.
So, diba?
Only child eh.
Pero if not for that, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yeah, strong girls, alpha girls, like that.
So, since we have 2 balloons left, sila naman mag-ask ng questions sa'yo to help them figure out kung tama ka bang match for them. So, let's start over here.
Legal ba yung relationship mo with your exes sa family mo?
Yes.
Perfect.
Okay, yun lang? Okay.
What's the integral of sine theta? Joke. Joke lang. Ano yung lowest point mo sa buhay na from there, you can share with us yung how you rise from that point? Like, ano yung natutunan mo?
Well, yung pinaka-lowest point ko is Iniwan kasi ako ng mother ko, 16 years old pa lang. So from that, independent na ako by that time. Kasi we're not the rich. So I need to hustle talaga to help my mother sa ibang bansa. So what I did, I used my talents to earn money para habang nag-work si mama, I can also help her and provide sa mga relatives and sila lola and lol. And yan, I use my talents to survive in life.
You good with that? Okay. So since wala sa kanilang nag-pop, it's up to you. I would like you to choose one balloon to pop. Go ahead. No! And again, I'd like to remind, bawal magtago ng balloon. Basketball lang eh. Natago?
Wag daw. Wag na daw.
Go with your gut.
Sige na.
Okay, so let's go back over here. Hi, so bakit di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Kasi narinig ko po na lumaki siya independently and iniwan ng mother at 16. So, sa akin, parang makaka-relate kami sa isa't isa, ganun. Pero hindi naman po ako iniwan ng mother. Ano lang, parang kung gusto niya lang kasi nasanay siya maging independent. So if gusto mong maging dependent, you can depend on me sana.
May pag ganon? So type mo sana siya?
Super.
And how about on your end? Bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
Ayun nga, I heard her stories nga na siguro hindi pa siya healed from her past. Na siguro tinatago siya ng past partner niya and now gusto niya na legal. So parang for me, magiging conflict siguro siya pag naging kami. Kasi nga with my work na hindi pwede lagi mag-post about relationships kasi I'm just new in the industry. Pero if I love someone, talagang I can show it the whole world how much I love it. But not now kasi I'm just like starting my career, gano'n.
Okay. Do you have any response to that? Tatanungin ko pa lang, kinukuha na yung mic. Okay.
Actually, I'm healed from my past na.
Ay!
And I've been single for 5 years. Kaya, yung answers ko is based lang din sa mga tingin kong personality mo. That's why.
May response ka ba doon?
Ibalik yung balloon.
Ay, grabe siya!
Charis lang. Charis lang. Okay lang.
Ano, ibabalik na daw? Ano?
Hindi, si host magde-decide. Host ko yung magde-decide.
Siyempre, ako ba magde-date sa kanila? Di ba ikaw? Ikaw dapat mag-decide. Are you okay? Alright. You're not gonna give it back anymore.
Look!
Ay, puppy! The space! Look at the space! Okay, so set na tayo doon.
What's your reference? Femme or mask?
Di ba yung preference mo is mask? So, I'm mask and preference ko naman is femme. That's you.
So, should we get the balloon back or no?
How about you?
Ano po, ang preference ko, wala naman kasi pansexual ako. So, and androgynous in terms of expression. So, pwede akong depende ka sa partner ko. So, lumalabas yung masculine side, feminine side. So, yun po.
Oh, okay.
So, do we give a balloon back or are we set?
I'm sorry, but I think I'm set.
Okay. Well, thank you so much. Unless may gusto ka pang sabihin.
Wala akong chance kanina masabi to earlier, but you look very pretty and I think next life na lang tayo mag-match.
Sali kayo ulit for the next na WLW episode. Okay, well, thank you so much. Okay, so since we have one balloon left, please join us over here. Okay, so do you have any final questions for each other? How about from you?
Wala pa naman po pag nag-date na lang kami.
Okay, and how about you? Okay ka na ba? No more final questions?
Yes.
Okay, so sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yes po.
And sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yes.
Okay! We have a Busuan man! And she can go ahead and take each other's hand and go after happily ever after. Thank you so much! Congratulations! Here comes our next sexy single. Hi! Alright, so what's your name and how old are you?
Hi, I'm Alu and I'm 31 years old.
Okay, and ano namang job mo? What do you do for a living?
I am a freelance video editor.
And what are your hobbies or what do you like to do for fun?
So for my indoor hobbies, I like to watch movies and series, tapos listen to music and podcasts, occasionally read books. Now for my outdoor hobbies naman, I run and cycle. So actually recently last week, I went on a long ride from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan going to Gapan, Nueva Ecija.
Oh, fun.
Yeah.
Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner?
Physical-wise, I don't have a specific type. Though I lean towards femme or soft mass.
Oh, okay. Ano namang mga deal breakers mo or kapag nalaman mong gato yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
If there's someone who are not emotionally intelligent, so, or doesn't know how to communicate their emotions, especially when there is misunderstanding between each other.
So right now, may isang nag-pop ng balloon. So let's go over there and find out kung bakit. Hi, so what's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
My name is Dana Soriano. I'm 25. I work as a general accountant during weekdays and an encoder during weekend.
And bakit ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
Kasi I heard na she's into femme. So I'm not one of them. So, yeah. Sorry.
Okay, do you have...
You look cute and...
I thank you.
Do you have any response sa sinabi niya?
Yeah, I actually said femme or soft mass.
Pasok daw ba siya doon?
Yes, actually.
Oh.
I want my balloon back.
Kasi naman, balloon back daw siya. Okay. Okay, bawal daw mag-pop later. Okay, we'll see. Okay, well, I'll get back to you later. So, right now, everyone has their balloons back, so it's up to you. I would like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Siya pala yung...
Oo nga eh.
Joke lang.
Oh my God! Okay. Alright, so
okay.
since nauna na sila, I think...
They made their choice.
Yeah, sila na daw. Kasi tagal mo raw mag-decide. Okay, let's start over here.
So, hi, I'm
Hello.
Pearl, and yeah, I'm in the BPO industry. So, the reason why I popped my balloon because, yeah, maybe the age gap. That's it.
But if not for the age gap, type mo naman ba sana siya?
For the features, to be honest, like, I can see her like my sister, ganun.
More of sister vibe, binuka mo.
Pagpasok niya pa lang kanina, ate ko to.
Like what gave off that vibe for you?
The haircut, actually. And I like the way she dressed.
Do you have any response to that?
No, it's fine. Thank you for being honest.
Okay. All right.
It's
Well, thank you so
okay.
much. Okay, let's go back over here. Hi. So, ba't ka bigla nag-pop ulit ng balloon?
Because of her age lang po. Kasi baka hindi siya into younger, someone.
Do you have any response to that? Into younger someone ka ba daw or no?
I do have parang preference lang when it comes to age. -2 or +2, ganon.
Do you have any response to that?
Perfect.
Okay, so set na tayo doon. Okay, pero ikaw, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yeah, sure. I can see myself go out with him.
Kasi kanina, magpapap ka na sa akin eh.
Joke lang niya yun. Anyway, so are we set
okay.
set now on this one? Okay, well, thank you so much. Okay, let's go over here.
Hi, I'm Micah. I'm 28 and I'm a video editor as well.
Oh, cool.
And bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Kasi binanggit niya kanina, she's into running and cycling and I'm into just sleeping in bed.
Pero may indoor activities, may indoor hobbies ka din naman, di ba?
Yeah, pero hindi ako makakasabay sa running and cycling. Baka, wala, gusto ko nagda-drive lang.
Pero if not for that, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yes. Yeah. Type naman po.
Thank you.
Do you have any responses sinabi niya regarding yung sa hobbies or anything?
Yeah, I think that'll be a challenge if ever. Kasi nga, I prefer someone who's active then.
Alright. Okay. But if not for that, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Opo, okay lang po.
Okay. So right now, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons left. Now, I'd like you to ask a question to help you narrow down your choice.
What is something you learned from your past relationship?
So we'll start over here.
Hi, I'm Sham, and I work for BPO in sales, and I'm 39. Tricky and tough question. Actually, overly of a lot of things. Overly understanding, overly protective, and overly giving. Turns out na pag sobra pala talaga, you're becoming an empath and you are enabling the things na hindi na tama. And then darating sa point na parang isipin mo na, what's left for me?
My name is Sher. I'm 28 and my job is admin assistant. What I've learned about my previous relationship is, yun, gaya nga nasabi ni Sham, don't forget to love yourself and wag mag-overly bigay-bigay. Kasi minsan, iniisip natin na kaya natin punan ng pagmamahal natin yung kulang ng partner natin, pero hindi pala. Dapat dalawa kayo.
Hi, I'm Justine. I'm 30 and I work as a program manager for learning and organizational development. Yung learning ko is the importance of having a goal as partners kasi we end up being too focused with our own careers, our own goals. Tapos sometimes it comes back to us na, oh, we're leading different lives, and that's a hard pill to swallow.
Hi, I'm Soph. I'm 24 years old and I work as a healthcare advocate. My answer is patience, since during my past relationship, I learned that you shouldn't really dive too quickly into the goals that yung parang kung anong gusto mong gawin with your partner. Tapos take one step at a time. So don't rush into a lot of things that you want to do with your partner.
So based on those answers, I would like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
So I'd like to say lang muna before I pop their balloon that their answers are all good, and thank you for sharing your story, by the way. So actually, I like all of your answers, but at the end of the day, this is still a game show, so I have to choose. Yan po.
Okay, so let's start over here. Ba't siya napili mo i-pop?
Because earlier I said I am into more the soft mass rather than yung more masculine. But everything else, like what you said, they're all good.
Well, to be honest, I thought of baka pwede niya akong gawing project. So I thought that it would be fun na, okay, someone maybe encourage me to be at least fit, you know.
We can definitely be friends and running buddies.
Okay. All right. And over here. Ba't siya napili mo i-pop?
Because of the age.
Right.
Yeah, you're 24.
But if not for that, type mo naman din ba siya?
Yeah, she's very pretty.
Okay. Do you have any response to that?
Totally acceptable. It's okay. Understand it.
Okay, and I heard a pop balloon over here. What happened? Don't cry. Okay, so what happened? What made you decide na i-pop yung balloon mo bigla?
Inisip ko kasi your active lifestyle, though I try to be active too, we just don't match. Una kasi like, I don't know how to ride a bike. So, kaya kita sabayan sa car. Pero like, that doesn't really make sense. Baka mabangga pa kita. So, ayun.
Pero aside from that, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Cutie siya. Cutie ka.
Thank you.
How about on your end? Do you have any response sa mga sinabi niya?
Hindi ko alam na deal breaker pala yung running tsaka cycling. Dapat pala hindi ko na sinabi.
Hindi kasi, ayun, ang activities ko, I can run, pero hindi to your extent.
Yeah.
And then, I do judo. So, like, how? Diba?
But it's okay. It's okay.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yes po.
Alright. Okay, so right now we have 1 balloon left. So please join us over here. Do you have any final questions for each other?
Actually, wala naman po. Na ako lang po yung naghihintay ng mga next question. Kaso, nag-pop na sila lahat ng balloon. So, ayun. Wala. Hindi ako ready.
How about you? Meron ka bang mga question pa sa kanya?
No, I think we're good kasi baka ma-overwhelm din siya.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask you guys now since wala na kayong final questions. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. And sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Sure ka ba talaga? Oo. Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay! We have a pusuan match! So please take each other's hand and go off into your happily ever after. Congratulations! Here comes our next sexy single.
Hi. Hello. Hi.
All right. So what's your name and how old are you?
I'm Marga. I'm 23 years old.
Okay. And what do you do for a living or anong job mo?
I'm a college student pa lang. Third year.
Okay. Okay. And what are your hobbies or what do you like to do for fun?
I guess more on the arts area, on siguro photography or crafty stuff, yung mga ganun.
Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Personality or sa physical?
Not so much physical. I guess siguro height lang, pero it doesn't really matter that much. But then for personality, I'd really prefer if this person would be truthful, confident, really know themselves na ano, so that it's not hard to be with them. Pag ganun, yeah.
Ano namang mga deal breakers mo or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
I guess yung mahirap makisama. The person yung pag gusto mong yayain, hindi magno-no agad.
Okay.
I mean, given if there's valid reason na magno-no sila. But then, yung someone who's also spontaneous at certain points, yeah.
Alright, so right now, mukhang may mga nag-pop ng balloon sa ating lineup. So let's just go over there and find out kung bakit. Hi, so what's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
Sham, 39, and I work for BPO in sales.
And ba't ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
I don't think it's kind of like appropriate for me for your age. I'm so sorry. I find it very charming.
I completely understand.
Other than that, wala akong makita na anything else.
Other than that, type mo naman sana siya.
Yeah, if medyo siguro +5.
How about on your end? Type mo naman ba sana siya or may response ka ba sa sinabi niya?
For the age thing then, I would say not so much. But then, I'm also not much into hyper mask or strongly on the mask side. So, I mean, you look nice and all that, but then, sorry, it's not really in my type.
It's okay.
Okay, and we have another pop balloon over here.
Hi, I'm Soph. I'm 24 years old and I'm a healthcare advocate.
And bakit ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
Besides the fact that she's younger than me, she's also a college student. So since I'm working, I don't think our lifestyles would match. So yeah.
But other than that, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yes.
How about on your end? Do you have any response sa sinabi niya?
I understand working in college, different areas din talaga. And I also consider that as a factor na parang it might not work din.
Pero if ever, type mo ba sana siya?
Yeah, you look nice. Ang ganda mong get up mo. It's simple but effective.
Okay, so right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask a question to help you narrow down your choice.
What are you passionate about?
All right, so let's start over here.
So hi, I'm Pearl. I'm 22 years old, and yeah, I'm working as in BPO industry. So I'm actually an athlete. So yeah, as of the meantime, beside work, I'm actually a football athlete. So that's why I'm passionate about it. Yeah, that's it.
Cool, nice.
My name is Dana, 25 years old. I work as a general accountant during weekdays and an encoder during weekend. Siguro, one thing I'm passionate about is, well, it's not in terms of hobbies, but listening to people's stories. Like, if you wanted to share anything with me, like that.
Hi, I'm Micah. I'm 28 years old and I'm a video editor. Yeah, I'm passionate about video editing. I've been editing since like high school hanggang So now it's my job. Minsan nababurn out, but I really love like making a story into visual thing. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Justine. I'm 30 and I'm a program manager for learning and organizational development. So, 2 things that I'm passionate about. One is on our personal growth. I believe that it's never too late for us to learn new skills and to better ourselves in any way, shape, or form.
Yes.
And the second one is nation building. So I'm very passionate and I advocate for certain socio-political issues that we should all care about.
Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose one balloon to pop.
It's so hard, but I'm sorry. Out of everyone's answers, okay.
Okay, let's go over here.
Sorry.
Ba't siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Out of the interactions between the four of them, she was the least one to have eye contact, and that for me is very important. So, but then your answer was also
That's so intense.
I mean, also your answer was good, but it didn't, rank higher than the others. So that was a factor.
There's like very intense energy in this area, right? Okay, do you have any response to that?
Thank you.
So right now we have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask another question to help you narrow down your choice.
What do you want to do for fun?
So yeah, for fun, I actually like to go clubbing, bars like that, and yeah, travels.
I like trying new things. So, kahit anong preference. But I love doing golf and free diving.
Medyo marami kasi. So, I like going to concerts. I also like traveling. I love driving, actually. Tapos, I do judo in my spare time. Hindi lang ngayon because like the nails. But yeah, yun.
All right, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose one balloon to pop.
God.
May nagsusumbong, hindi siya nag-eye contact.
Nakuha talaga sa eye contact. I would pop yours. I'm sorry.
Ayaw. Wala daw. Oh. Okay, let's go over here. Ba't siyang napili mo i-pop?
It's the same reason. Na-outrank.
Wala. Sabi niya, siyang sumasagot, di niya ako type. Anyway, you were saying?
Out of everyone's answers, na-outranked lang yung answer mo. Pero I would want to get to know you as well. Yeah.
If ever, type mo nun ba sana siya?
Not so much because you're leaning towards the mask, but then I would still be curious to know you.
Okay, so we have 2 balloons left. So sila naman na magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to help them find out if you're a good match for them. So what's your question for our sexy single?
So, do you prefer masculine or feminine?
I tend to gravitate towards femme or soft mask maybe. But yeah, more on the femme side.
Sorry.
Oh, okay. All right, so what made you pop your balloon?
So yeah, I'm sorry. I really find you attractive, but yeah, I'm more like looking for a masculine one.
Okay.
Kaya, yeah, but you're so pretty. Don't get me wrong.
On your end, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yeah, I'd date you actually.
Oh.
Just hit me up. Yeah, I'll promote you my
IG.
Okay, so we have 1 balloon left. So please join us over here. You look shook. Before I proceed, do you have any final questions for each other? Since hindi mo pa natatanong yung final question mo, di ba?
Yeah, so you mentioned na college student ka. I'm just wondering, what's your future plans? Kasi granted, I'm 30, so I like to be intentional with whoever I'm engaging with.
In terms of after college, I have so much possibilities on where I want to go. So I'm not so certain about that. But then there are ideas where what I want to do. So I guess does that answer?
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of.
Yeah.
But
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Pinag-iisipan ko talaga siya from when you walked in. Because before being a program manager, I used to work for schools as a counselor. So, you reminded me so much of my students. So parang, tas the age gap pa, parang nag-math talaga ako. Nadaanan ba kita? Or like, for some reason, nag-match ba yung life natin? So,
na-student zone ba ako?
Farmer.
Okay. I mean, if not for that, type mo naman sana siya.
like physical wise, like, and the way you talk also. Very, yeah.
Do you have any response sa sinabi niya?
I mean, I respect it. I completely understand where you're coming from.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yeah, I'd date you, sure, yeah.
All right, well, unfortunately, we don't have a match for today, but thank you so much for joining, both of you. And I hope you enjoyed. I hope you can join us again in our next episode.
Thank you for having me.
And that has been our show. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more of our episodes. Join us again next time for more Pusoan or Laruan.